I couldn't fault their customer service. Every time I've contacted them, they're really helpful, really proactive.
I'm Paul King, Managing Director of Central Kitchens Limited. The quality of the materials they use is top of the tree. You're not going to get better. So if you go anywhere, you go to Landford Stone.
Well, my name's Molly Fisher and I'm the Managing Director of Landford Stone. Encourage people to come visit us. We've got currently 2,750 slabs of natural and engineered stone in stock. We'll ask them to bring defining colours with them. So maybe a cabinet door or a tile, if they've selected a tile for the kitchen floor, or paint colours. When they've been and they've looked, they may find 5 or 6 different materials they really like. We will give them samples to take home.
So I'm Sarah McCrossan, I'm the Managing Director here at Herbert William Kitchens. When we've sent people up there, they really look after them. They'll guide them round the yard up there, and they've even been invited into the warehouse where all the cutting's done to actually choose which part of that scant they want on the island or near the sink. So it's a really personal service.
We then send out a templator. Now the templator will measure exactly with a laser templating equipment exactly their kitchen so that it fits to perfection. He will then send that information back to the factory, which goes into the planning department for the CNC operated machinery.
So templating, it's done on the day. There's no cancellations. The fit comes a week later on quartz and granite, and there's no delay. They fit. I've never known them to be wrong.
So the machine will give you a perfect cutout. The CNC machines, which will take the information from the laser templating machine, will follow your wall to perfection. We pride ourselves on training. Our quality is such that there are very few masons who haven't been Landford trained that can achieve the quality that we're looking for. Factory manager will inspect every piece against the template, so he will measure it and he will check every single piece before it goes onto the trolley ready to be loaded to go out to be installed. And it won't go out unless it's perfect. They're going to take the time it needs to do it. They're never under time pressure to hurry. We don't want a hurried fit. We want it perfect each time.
It was really straightforward and easy for them to fit it. They'd given us really clear instructions of what the builders had to do with the sink to get it in the right position. So literally they came in and everything just went, very smoothly.
The consumer is happy. There's nothing that you can fault them on.
We have people come to us because they want a Landford Stone worktop, just because they want a Landford Stone worktop, not anybody else's worktop. So you can be sure that we will be there for you. 10 years, 15 years, 20 years' time, we'll be there.